He had all 4 road numbers. He sold the 820 already, obviously after 23. So. I refuse to get the Bachmann SD40s. They're terrible.
You get what you pay for.
I ended up running a Bachmann unit with the parallel scale transit. See how it would react. It stopped working entirely. I couldn't even handle it. Yes. I'm Rick. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, sir.
They may not have just loaded people yet because they were in Iowa when they filmed that.
They had just picked up the car. Yeah. I think they were in both flats. This is where the car lived.
See, they left them in Auburn when they left out. When I was in July. They left them sit there and they had to break from Auburn east. And I'm like, well, you just picked the cars up from Roseville, California.
If they're going east, I get it. You have them just going over, picking them up from North Carolina. Yeah, if you're going west, you think they just bring them up to Cheyenne and Cleveland.
Yeah. I have not been to Cheyenne. That's the next one. I want to go during Steve.
Regularly, man. So the kids get here to Denver.
I matched them and then they get all screwed up.
Probably what it is.
It's the size of the 2 inches.
Yeah. I got 15 bits to build at home. It's like I gotta make more bits. I've got 7 Acura Power box cars, 8 50-foot long.
No, but if I do end up getting one of the other board numbers from the guy, I'm just gonna bring the end, just run the snot out of them around the tracks. That, I don't even realize how heavy that truly is. That's heavier than most dark ones.
So I mean, it's not even big. It's not like the 132 exactly now, you know. But and it's here it sits and there's 4 pieces of it. No, it's just 20 feet a piece. You know, he wants $1,200. Just like, you know. Then I came to the conclusion that if I ever do build my speeder barn, I'm going to actually build in, I think, wood rails. Because as the speeders sit in there, they're not going to flat spot the wheels if they're sitting on wood. They'll sink into the wood. Like now, I've got mine sitting on 4x4s with cross pieces, almost like ties, and it just sits on the floor of the garage. And I've got, I built these little ramps out of 2x4s, and I just roll it right up and on, and it's.
I don't know if it's
Rockridge, anything super deep here in Florida. So that's Rockridge, Melbourne, Wickham, and Sebastian.
Never do much about it.
Plus all of our offices and stuff.
That's where we got this IMAX film about it, right? You go down, it's
Very
that end, it's film on the rock. IMAX. And it's just all the cab shots. Spot
They have to start a nonprofit. Depending on your size. Now, if we became a nonprofit, we couldn't start with more than $1,200 as a okay.
Oh, the keep alive is keeping it going, but something's shorting out probably the car. Well, those are all old Gilbert cars. We've got wheels in them. We're going to truck that slung around, so now I've got the black cars are all metal.
Clean it all up, making sure everything works, rewire it if I have to, and then I'll put a